Good evening, everyone. My name is Alan Cruz, and for today's video, I will share this Bible verse for today. According to 1 Peter chapter 5 verse 7, overthinking will kill your peace. Pray and leave it to God. In the midst of tensions and anxieties, this verse promotes relying on prayer and faith to find peace. It implies that worrying too much, also known as overthinking, is bad for one's health, and that inner peace might result from giving these worries to God. The message encourages a spiritual strategy for anxiety and stress management. Kaya po, wag po tayo magpaka-stress po masyado at mag-isip-isip din po tayo ng magagandang bagay. At palagi po tayong manalangin sa Diyos at sabihin mo yung mga problema at tapos bibigyan ka niya ng kapayapaan. Again, this is Alan Cruz. Good evening to all of you.